Can AI create a completely new landing page that actually matches an existing WordPress website instead of giving you some random template? Let me show you exactly how. This is the site I am working with. It already has a home page, a service page, an about page, and a contact page. Everything is built with Elementor. I want to add one new landing page to this site, and I want it to look like it always belonged here. I already wrote the content for the new page in Word document. It has a hero section, it has the statistics, the security risk, how the assessment works, the services, property types, testimonials, and frequently asked questions. So the content is done. Now I need the AI to see what the existing site looks like. For that, I'll use the GoFullPage extension on Chrome. I'll click the extension and it will start capturing the complete web page. Now I can click this button, download images, and the screenshot is saved on my computer. I already have the other pages captured here. These screenshots show the AI the real colors, spacing, buttons, and layout. I also want the fonts to match. I'll use this font finder extension to find the font size and color. So I'll just click the extension here and I'll hover the cursor here. And here I can see the font family, the font size, font weight, and all the other details about the font. Now I have everything, the content, the 4 screenshots, and the prompt. Let me show you the prompt. In the prompt, I tell the AI to use the Word document as the source of truth for all content and section, and to use the screenshots as the source of the truth for the design. I also give it a few technical rules. Here you can see the rules. Now I can use Claude or ChatGPT for this. I'll run both side by side and pick the better one. I'll copy the prompt. Now on ChatGPT, I'll paste the prompt. And I need to add the files here. I need to add the 4 screenshots and the Word document. I have the prompt here. If I click this, I can view the prompt, and I have all the 4 screenshots and the Word document here. Now I'll click this button to generate the HTML code. Now on Claude, I'll use the same prompt and the same files. So first I'll add the content and then I'll add the 4 screenshots. Now I'll paste the prompt here. Here's the prompt. I'll use the Opus 4.8 model and I'll click this button to generate the code. I'll fast forward the video while it generates the code. The code in ChatGPT is ready. I'll copy the code here. Now I can just paste this code straight into an HTML widget in Elementor. For small snippets, that is fine, but for this large page, we need a plugin. So here on the dashboard, you can see I already have this WPCoder plugin. I'll use this plugin to add the HTML code. Here, I'll add a new snippet. I'll name this risk assessment and I'll paste this code inside HTML. Now I'll save this snippet. This WPCoder plugin gives me a shortcode. I'll copy the shortcode and now I'll add a new page. I'll name it risk assessment. I'll save it as draft. Then I'll edit with Elementor. Here first I need to hide this page title. So here I'll click this page settings and I'll click this hide title. I need the page layout in full width. So I'll select this full width. Now I'll add a new section. I'll select grid. I'll select the first option here. Then I'll just reduce the column numbers to 1. Now inside this grid, I'll add a new block. So I'll search for shortcode. I'll pick the shortcode and I'll paste the copied shortcode here. This is how the page looks. We designed this page using ChatGPT. But I can see some white space at the top and on the sides. So here I'll click this section. I'll go to advanced. I'll go to padding and make the padding to 0. Now I'll go to page settings here. Here under Astra settings, this is the theme settings. I'll make the transparent header to enabled. Now I'll publish the page. Now I'll click this preview button. Okay, the page is not in full width, so here I'll go to section and I'll make the content width to full width. Now I'll publish the page again. Let's see how it looks. So it looks good now. So this is the new page we just created. If I go to home page, it is the home page. If I go back, and this is the new page. This page is completely designed with ChatGPT, and we integrated the ChatGPT generated code inside this WordPress website. So you see, everything looks good. And all these graphics are generated using ChatGPT code. This is not an image, this is generated using CSS. Now I just need to add the page to the menu. So here I'll go to appearance, I'll go to menus, I'll click this risk assessment and add to menu. I'll just move this after training. Now I'll save the menu. I'll refresh the page and I can see this risk assessment page. So this is our new page, completely generated using ChatGPT. These are the other pages. You see, it maintains the same theme. And when I go to ChatGPT, you can see it also gives us a quick edit guide. So if you want to replace the links, then find this text and replace it. So I'll go to WPCoder here. I'll go to all codes. I'll click edit. And here I'll copy this text if I need to change the links. And here I'll click Ctrl F to find and paste the copied text. So this is the place where we need to update the link. When I go to the page here, so if I click see how it works, it goes below, and at the bottom of the page we have a link option. Here you see, get your free security assessment. Currently it doesn't go anywhere, but we need to add a link here. So if you want to add a link, then replace this link with your original link. Maybe you can add a contact form or some other page. Now let's go to Claude, see the Claude's version. So here you see, this version is generated using Claude. This is how it looks. I'll copy the code, and on the WordPress website, under all codes, I'll add a new code. I'll just name it risk assessment 2. I'll paste the code here and I'll save it. We want to see how this Claude generated code looks. I'll copy this shortcode. Now I'll go to pages. I have a test page here. I'll edit with Elementor and I'll paste the code here. So first I need the shortcode option here, shortcode, and I'll paste the shortcode. I don't need this section. I'll close this. Now I need to reduce the padding to 0 and I'll publish this page. Let's preview this page. Okay, I need to change the page settings to default. I need to change the section to full width. Now I'll click publish. This is the test page and this is how it looks. This is generated with Claude and this is generated with ChatGPT. You can see the difference. It is almost same. So the page uses the same theme, same font size, same font style and everything. It matches the brand exactly what we wanted. Since we asked AI to generate it responsive so it looks good on phone, I'll click this mobile portrait option to see how it looks. So you see here it also looks good on the phone screens. That's it for this video. If this was useful, subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thank you for watching.